There's really a few, maybe three things that need to be taken into consideration. First is, what are the nutrient gaps in the diets of the small children? There are some contexts where macronutrients, energy and protein, aren't really a problem, where the children are consuming enough food and what they need is additional micronutrients. And in that case, it would be a much more cost-efficient approach to use micronutrient powders as opposed to fortified complementary foods. But in other contexts, we know that children don't receive enough of even the basic energy and nutrients that they require, and you may need to use a fortified complementary food that would provide a more full diet, shall we say, addition to their diet in addition to the micronutrients. Okay. So that's one factor, is the nutrient gaps you're trying to fill. Second would be the resources that you have. You need, for a program to be impactful, you have to have enough of that product to reach the people and for them to consume it, the children to consume it over a period of time. So if you have the resources, you need to make sure that you're resourced appropriately. And then finally is this acceptance. You need to also think about the context that you're working in and what people would be willing to use on a regular basis. Well, if you want to know whether it's being effective, ideally you need to evaluate. But you need to look at the extent to which the people are receiving the product, so that you don't have a problem of the actual availability or the quality of the product. And then you should be looking at whether they're utilizing that product, and ultimately measure impact on some kind of indicator that is reflective of the impact that you're looking for. So if you're looking to address issues of micronutrient malnutrition, you can look at anemia, you can look at micronutrient status, but start with looking at whether they're actually consuming the product and whether that product is available. The coverage, the utilization, that's where we start. And then from there, once you know that that's happening, then you can go on and look at the possibility of biological outcomes.